Yeah, here we go. So you worked on Java 8 or Java 21? Java 8.
So Java 8. Currently, we are working on Java 8,
Okay,
Java 1.8 version we are using.
great, great. Okay. So what are the Java 8 new features?
It is about the functional interface, Lambda
Mm-hmm.
expression, stream APIs we are using over here, and even
Mm-hmm.
even the interfaces has also like methods like default and static. Yeah, new features.
Okay. What is predicate?
Predicate is the functional interface generally used in the filter function, that is the internal function for testing conditions.
Okay. Uh, what are ternary operators? Ternary operations in the streams.
Ternary operations in the streams are the map filter operations are the intermediate operations, right?
And right.
Ternary ternary operations are like conditional operator is also ternary operator, right? Operation. But
It's
in
like
yeah, yeah.
intermediate and like it won't produce you the streams.
Intermediate and terminal operations are there in
Terminal.
Java.
Yeah,
Like
yeah, that
collect
one.
and for each.
For each, yeah, it won't produce you streams, right?
Yes.
Now, let's say I have written some Java 8 code. It consists
Okay.
of like map, filter, anything. But I want to debug it. What value it is passing on through the streams. How I debug my Lambda code. Is there
Mm,
any method which you can use to see the values or something?
not method, but if you convert like your stream into some lambda expression or a statement kind of thing, then you can debug it. Like generally we do it in for
Okay, okay, let me reframe this question. So, have you heard about peak method?
peak.
Peak. P double E K.
Yes, sir. PEEK peak method I have heard, which is, but this is generally used for the queue that purposes, right? Queue and stack
No, there
purposes.
also in Lambda also it is there peak.
Okay, okay, sir. I don't know that.
Okay, which is used for that debugging the Lambda expressions actually. It's okay.
Okay, I'll see the implementation for this method.
Okay, so that is also fine. And do you know what is immutable class?
Yes, sir. I know the immutable class.
So how to
Like,
create custom immutable class?
yes, sir. Generally, you for the immutable class, the variables which you are which you are declaring in the class should be final, and there should be no setter method, only getter method, and if for the and even the class should be final. And over here, if you have to like the initialization happens through the constructor formation and the new instance formation.
Okay, okay, good. So what is the difference between hash map and linked hash map?
Okay, sir. The hash map and linked hash map is like hash map. In a hash map, the normally the insertion process could be anything, but in linked hash map insertion process is same, and even hash map and linked hash map both can contain one null key and null key and null values also, and even linked hash map. Okay, yeah, even both are like key values paired only.
Okay. Okay, insertion order is maintained in linked hash map.
Linked
Okay.
hash map. Insertion order is maintained in hash map.
Have you heard about identity hash map?
Identity.
Identity hash map.
No, sir. No.
Okay, okay. I can read about that. Okay, can note it
Okay, sir.
down like if you
Yes,
want
yes,
to.
I'm noting it down. What I have to
Okay,
say.
identity hash map. Okay. And do you know how hash map works internally?
Yes, sir. Um,
Yeah, can you explain me that?
yes, sir. Generally, hash map internally uses is generally a key value pair. Okay, so generally it uses the hash table hash table internally. Okay, and internally it uses a hash table which have the hash the keys and the hash function over there, and there is a bucket which is the associated array, and each element of that array is nothing but a bucket. Uh,
Hmm.
okay,
What is
and
hash collision?
what sir, hash collision is nothing but the as I have said that the associated array over here, and each element is called as the bucket, and the bucket is generally backed by a linked list. Okay, so hash collision is nothing but while computing index, that is the hash, that is the hash code. The index where you have to put that hash map could be same, so it could be called as a hash collision.
Hmm. Okay.
The
So do you
computed
know what
index is
what?
same. I mean,
No. Okay. So do you know what are the Java 8 changes for hash map?
Java 8
Eh,
changes.
now in Java 8 there are some changes with hash map while storing the key value. Do you know what it is?
Maybe no, but like I haven't put that attention to this. I just wanted to.
So initially they are
Uh,
storing in linked list
uh,
and hash map. So in Java 8 they are after 8 elements they are moving it to binary tree. Okay.
okay.
So internal saving there is a
Okay,
change with that.
internal saving binary tree. Right. I know that. Even the
Initially
red
it
black
was linked
tree
list. Hmm.
also backed by the red black tree, I guess.
Yeah, that is him. Yeah, binary tree is red black tree. Okay. Binary means two trees, right? Two
Uh,
childs per single parent. Okay. So that is one change in Java 8. Do you know any Java 8 changes in memory? There is POMGen space, right? XMX, XMS value,
XMS and XMS value. Generally, we
heap
do in
memory setting. Yeah.
yeah, heap memory, stack memory, even the method area as well, even GC root as well, the memory. Yes.
Mm-mm. And string constant pool is moved to heap area only now. Initially it was outside. So
Yeah,
memory model you should
string pool
understand.
and heap was different. So in Java 8, it is same for now, right?
Mm. So should focus on memory model which is changed in Java 8 and garbage collection also. Okay, read that also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, great. So can you write a code, small code?
Yes, sir.
Can you share your screen and I will give you the code in chat. Check this number is palindrome or not.
Um,
I pasted in chat.
Number is palindrome or not, right?
Yeah. You know you have practiced this program or you don't know?
No, no, well,
Or if we make it simple, you can take string also if you want to take string. Madam, you can print MADM,
yes, no problem. I'll take it.
MADM. By
अच्छा मैडम ले
by
लेता है yes आ जाएगा
madam. Yeah, MADM. Yeah. It will be easy, but the speed at which you write the program that will decide how good you are.
okay
You should practice some of the programs, something like this: palindrome,
yes sir I
Fibonacci
have practiced a
series,
lot like a
sorting
lot of them
programs.
sorting programs even remove
Hmm.
duplicate even reverse
Hmm.
string even this palindrome string even
Because some see these are college level programs, but still some people ask these programs.
yes sir actually I have asked like I said na that even recently I have interviewed the Accenture
Hmm.
interview. So first interview I have cleared, and even in which he has asked me the program of reverse string, and even in the first
Hmm.
interview also he has given something. one object kind of thing, and then three
Mm.
screen problems. In even I've cleared that also.
Mm. Great, great. Yeah. But you did not write the logic, right?
Sir?
So left, right. While
Hmm.
left is this will go in infinite line. So break. When how till what time? Left or right? It should increase or decrease, right? That logic you missed, I think. Uh, main logic you missed.
Yeah,
Right. And palindrome where it comes. You defined inside while, but it will go on every character. Should be outside. Yeah. Great. This is fine.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, but you should practice that also for a number
Yes, sir.
palindrome also. I think you practice for string and practice for number also. Okay. Have you worked on Spring Boot? You said you have worked on it, right?
Actually, currently I'm working on it.
Okay.
Like this.
Now, what are the advantages of microservices over monolith?
The advantage is like the deployment process is like individual. So we can
Which
in
one is
monolith.
easy? Monolith is easy or Spring Boot is easy?
The Spring Boot is easy because the deployment because it is generally used for scalability and for reliability purposes as well. So microservices is easy. Even deployment is easy in the microservices, and even if we change any code at the in the monolithic application, you have to build the whole code. But in microservices, that doesn't happen there because you don't have to build every service and run on it.
Mm-hmm.
And
Okay.
even there are reliability conditions as well. Even so called tolerance is easy in microservice application as compared to demonolithic application also. Even the embedded server is also included in microservice application, and in monolithic data center you have to add externally your server.
Mm-hmm. Okay. But handling microservices is not easy, right? Let's say you have 100
It is
microservices.
complex actually.
Mm-hmm. And you need to take care of so many things.
Mm.
Okay. You should know like when monolith is useful and when microservice is useful, because all architecture are not suitable for everything. Okay.
Yes, sir.
There
Yes,
is
sir.
no single solution.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Depending on
Mm.
your requirement, like the case
Mm.
matter.
Okay. So how your microservices are secure? Like how you secured your microservices?
Microservices generally secure using the Spring security. You can
Mm-hmm.
use the API get. You can use the API gateway and authentication authorization, which is generally
Mm-hmm.
we do using JWT and
Mm-hmm.
OAuth token as well.
Okay. So I think what 2 or JWT?
What? Yes, sir. What you said?
Are you using OAuth 2 or JWT?
Actually, in generally we are using over here. I have used the JWT. In other application, like the other developers are working, they have also used recently over to as well client.
So you are aware like how OAuth 2 works?
Yes, sir. I know the process.
Okay. Okay. And then that is good. So what is difference between authorization and authentication?
Authorization is generally like you check like the client whenever the client sends in the request header. Okay, and
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
authentication is generally authorization is generally it's about the credential. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
well, they are correct. And authentication is about the user is the user is validated or not, like the correct user is mentioned or not, is
Mm-hmm.
present or not.
Okay. Have you worked on any messaging queue?
No, sir. We are
Kafka,
using
SQL,
actually
something
no,
like.
sir. In our like in my project, I am not using any messaging queue over
So how service to service communication is happening?
here. Generally, sir, here service to communication is happening over here. Is using the
Mm.
REST client and in other projects as well the FIN client, and even we can do using asynchronous and synchronous communication.
Okay, Fin client you're using. Okay. Okay.
Actually,
Uh,
actually in like I said now, like I'm working on right now my self project where I
mm.
am going to use this.
Okay. Okay. That is good. Should practice more. And have you worked on SQL queries also?
Yes, sir. I have worked on SQL, SQL queries as well.
Can you write SQL query for finding second highest salary of a employee table?
Yes, sir. I can.
Yeah. You can share your screen and write it. That's it.
Can you see my screen, sir?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Second highest salary, right?
Right.
Yes, sir. This way I can do like simply, and even there is another
Well,
thing, offset and
yeah.
limit as well.
Yeah. Yeah. Write that also. Let's say. What if two employees are earning same salary?
Yes, I have to use distinct.
Right. Sorry, distinct you should use. Distinct salary. Order by decrement, order by salary, decrement, upset one, limit one. Yeah, this is fine. Yeah, this is pretty much. I think for L1 you are already ready, Abhay.
Okay. Actually,
That is
sir,
what I.
even this program I have like na even I know that practice is needed actually.
Mm-hmm,
I
mm-hmm.
have time practice. I guess
Yeah, see,
practice
for
is much
code.
needed and the revision is also important.
Yeah, exactly.
So
So
some of the concept I am like
practice is.
sometimes भूल जाता हूँ कभी कभी कुछ चीजें.
Don't forget. No, it's not about forgetting. You should not remember the code. You should understand what logic
No,
it is doing,
yeah, I
right?
know that, but some of the logics
Uh,
are like
hmm.
जैसे कि अभी मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा ना फिर बाद में फिर मतलब पहले I just
Hmm.
write it like boiler code and then try to optimize it actually. After reading the whole code,
Again,
I get to know.
yeah. So while writing, you should tell the interviewer that I am going to do this step by
Yeah,
step. You should tell. So there
yeah,
are characters. I'll read it from here. So it will help. Interviewer also like what you are doing. Sometimes if you stop, right, you are not able to write the code. That time at least interviewer will be convinced with what you are doing,
yeah,
what is
approach,
there in your
yeah,
mind.
the approach.
So approach also matters. That is it. Other than that, you can read that peak method, identity hash map. You can read, right? Yeah, remaining things I think you are better. Focus more on like why microservice is needed, why not, when it is not needed, what are disadvantages for it, and how you are logging, how you are handling logging in your application, what happens when production bugs comes, what is your first approach. So those things you should focus. Security wise, service to service communication and front end to back end, how your APIs are secure, how API gateway is working. Are you trying retry up the any APIs, right? If you are calling some other API, like how you are retrying it. So those
Hello?
questions you can try.
Hello, sir. Sir, actually, I disconnected.
Oh, you disconnected.
Uh,
So I was saying like what you need to prepare.
sir,
So
I saying.
for microservices, when to use microservice, when not to use,
Okay.
and security wise, like service to service communication and EY to your API gateway communication, how secure they are, and how
Uh,
what is the use of API gateway, right?
okay.
Should
Yes,
length
sir,
to
I know that
questions.
API gateway. I'm
Mm,
currently working on it. The API gateway and service discovery client. Okay.
mm. I'm just saying like you need to focus more for before your interview. You should refresh these things. Okay. Other than that, you are fine. SQL queries and all. So check like how Kafka works and transaction management in microservice. You can focus that also. How transactions are handled and how what is the saga pattern. Saga pattern you can check.
Yes, actually, I
Okay.
have to work. I have to like see those microservices pattern as well, like Saga pattern. Even there are CQRS patterns as well, right?
Mm.
Even circuit breaker
Yeah,
pattern.
yeah. High level you can resilience 4J. You can practice that in your main laptop. Okay. That is also most asked question. Okay. I'm audible, right? You are still
Yes, sir.
disconnected.
Yes, yes, sir.
So anything else you want to discuss with me?
Mm, uh,
Yeah,
sir,
fine. Yeah, bye. Yeah.
sir, this is the like. Are you going to take another interview or like this is okay?
Just see. Away. I was free over weekend, so I thought of helping.